Alright, good morning campers. Today we're going to be talking about one of the basics of planting any sort of cactus or succulents, and it's going to be our soil. Right here I have a soil bag, a bag of the soil that I use personally and that a lot of people I know use, and is a really big deal because this is the kind of soil that you're going to find at a cactus wholesaler or something like that. So let's talk about exactly what makes it different from normal potting soil. Now, the first thing you're going to want to realize is that this stuff has a lot of chunks in it. So you can see like wood chips and things like that in the soil. That's very important because, number one, when it comes to cactus soil, it needs to be able to drain well. So no matter what kind of pot you have it in, the soil needs to be able to drain well. That's another thing. When it comes to your pots, you need to make sure they have holes at the bottom so that the water can actually drain out. You don't want that water always at the base of the roots of your succulent or your cacti. This would cause root rot, which is bad. Now, I've got a very interesting little excerpt from a book. It's called Popular Exotic Cacti in Color, in which some people describe what they use. They use this mixture of what they call leaf mold. And leaf mold is made from beech and oak leaves that have rotted down for a long time. And so it's about 90% that, and it's about 10% peat moss. And so that works. That's what's always worked for them. You can get the Miracle-Gro cactus and succulent mix. I heard that's wonderful. There's other places like Black Gold. Black Gold has a wonderful cactus and succulent mix. Some of them have fertilizer in them already, and I've found a lot of success with basically all of them. But one of my big tips for you guys is if you're actually going to get soil, get it from a place that grows a lot of cactus and succulents. That's going to really up your game a bit. You're going to see that this soil has been tested hundreds, thousands, probably even millions of times on different plants that this wholesaler has just been shipping out. So maybe you can talk to them and figure out, hey, what's your mix on your soil? Some people will tell you, some people will not. But when it comes to your cactus soil, you want to make sure that you have soil that drains really well. And you're going to want to make sure that the pot that it's in also drains really well. There are tons of people that will give you different recommendations, but those are the two main things to come by. Do not use regular potting soil. Do not use that. It will rot the roots. You'll have a very bad time. See you later. Bye.